Hey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. My husband has just ordered two things for me from Amazon yesterday for my vlogging journey, which literally just has arrived now, like 5 minutes ago. One of them is going to be the wireless microphone, and the other one is a tripod stand. So if you're interested to see them, then come and open it with me. Okay, so let's start with the tripod stand, and I tell you what, I am really excited about this one because you won't believe me, but my phone is literally on a stepladder now, so this is going to be a big upgrade. So let's open it. This meant to be a gold and white one, so I hope it's going to be the color combination I am hoping for. Seems like I can't even open it. Good start. First thing first is a cute little bag for carrying it with me, and then this meant to be the bit to hold the phone. Oh, and then this is going to be, that was my cat right over there trying to sneak out from the room, but the door is closed, so I might have to let him out. So this one is going to be a little button, which is meant to be for making pictures. So the aim is that I can walk somehow like 20 meters away from the tripod, I believe, and then just press this little button and it will start recording without me actually have to, like press the button. This one I will need to figure out what is this, so I'm just gonna put it together and tell you after. And then this is the thing. So what do we do with it? Okay, it's a tricky one. I might need to just, like read the... So first I need to rotate this. Yeah, okay. For the tripod legs. Ow. Maybe this way. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this took a while to figure it out, but I can open it now. So what you do, you need to turn this around, open it completely, and then you can pull out this bit, like as much as you need. It's a pretty long one. Actually, it's really long one. And then, once you have the desired length, then we can open the legs like this. And once it's open, just got to make sure to close this back. I quite like it. So this bit, just going to spin on the top. Okay. So there is an option to turn, to make this one wider for a wider phone, and then I assume on the back, if I turn this, then I can turn the phone with it while video recording, and then this one you can turn it to the sides. Pretty cool. And to be honest, it has a very solid material as well, so this is one thing. This is the tripod, which, to be honest, I really do like. What I still haven't figured out is this one. So if you have any tips or comments about what am I meant to do with this, then please do let me know, because I am so curious about it. So the wireless microphone, let me just move all of this stuff. This is apparently, it has a 30 meters of transition range. Okay, so what do I have inside? There it goes, this is how it looks. So it seems like there is a cable to charge it. That's pretty cool. So a charger, cable to charge it, and then a USB to plug it into the computer, and then this bit, this is going into the phone, so you can plug it into a iPhone, into a Samsung, or into your computer or camera. And then there is 2 of these microphones, which meant to go on the shirt, and then there is the manual for it. Is there anything interesting I need to see? So there are the steps, how to activate it, what you need to see. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, Android, phones and tablets. Yep, it is compatible with cameras as well, which is pretty good. I think that's a really good feature. And your computer and laptop too. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Okay, so I might just finish reading this, turn the whole thing on, and then we can test it together. Okay, so here we are, everything has been put together. I've got the Bluetooth remote, it seems to be working perfectly. I've got the microphone on me, and I have found out, as I promised, this is the GoPro attachment apparently, which I will not need, but it's good to have it anyway. Now let's go and try how the microphone is working. Is it really working from 30 meters? Is it really working from 20 meters? So let's try it. It is definitely working. And from this distance is still working. And I don't want to talk about that behind me. And I am only hoping that it's still working from this distance. If it does, then it did pass all of my tests, and I literally cannot wait to do my first vlog post with these new stuff.